Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
OMDC Jaka Tura Bernard Marak hakasengi balang ka arpo kendai tere Bniah jileo arajar arpo ula Kynthoh ting yaka jingtmu Jaka sarkar jilla halor ka jingkam yaki Jaka Khlem da Bishar Bniah katkum ki kindon Jaka an kene ka Kynthoh jang ni OMDC ka Tura kalong hadin ba ka kinhon menteri Jaka sarkar jilla kalatmu ban itho no katkum ki kindon an yaki Jaka Jaka sarkar bala Kynthoh pot da kinong shnong hakashnong Williamnagar East Garo Hills ya kabalatmu ban leru kumjo ha ki katto kat ni ki Jaka ki badan hapo ka Tura Shushu Bernard ulaong lada ka sarkar ka yaj bait shakmat kat kum ka rai bala shim da ka kinhon menteri ki paj ba kim ban se bandai tiet ka jingkhang jong ka yeng Bishar.
The decision taken by the cabinet regarding the land is okay as far as it's in the favor of the people living there, but the part where it has they have mentioned that the land will continue to be under the government's custody. No, I think that will not be proper because what I have seen in most of the gazette, be it in Tura or in Williamnagar, the lands has not been fully acquired. It is still under lease, so that it is always, if you look at the gazette in the last paragraph, it is said that the government elect to resume under the term of the lease instead of acquiring under the act. Act means that time it was a Land Acquisition Act of 1894. So as far as 6th schedule area is concerned, or this hill area is concerned, government cannot occupy a land without proper acquisition. So whether the land has been properly acquired or not has to be examined, and in case of Tura, I have highlighted in before also in media that the receipt, it mentions about requisition, not acquisition. So it should not be misled, and at the same time it should not have any kind of a negative impact on the people residing in that area, in those areas. But if the government is trying to settle it as per the provision of the 6th schedule, under the provision of the constitutional law, then it's okay. It's okay, but the government cannot claim the land of the tribals as their own land. Gazette. It can be verified from the gazette of these lands. I have the copy of it with me in my file, regarding the Williamnagar land also, regarding the Tura land also. So in that gazette, it is said that the government elect to resume under the term of the lease, and the term of the lease is to have an agreement with the Nokmas. So as far as the agreement is concerned, or this gazette is concerned, that means this land has not been fully acquired. That means it is being maintained, or it is being resumed by the government under the term of the lease which has been signed between the Nokma and the government. So they have to refer to that agreement, and if they can provide that agreement to the public also, if they can give it in, put it in the public domain, then we can understand that what was the agreement. As far as I know, I think the agreement was that they were supposed to pay a will fee, a Nokma fee to the Nokmas annually for the use of the land, which the government has not paid in last almost 30 years now. Gone into the depths of these documents, because as I have said that the gazette is the actual document which is recorded in the with the government. So if they look at that gazette, in the last paragraph it is said that the government elect to resume under the term of the lease, not acquired, okay, term of the lease, instead of acquiring under the act. So what does that say? So instead of acquiring, the government, whoever it was in those times, that means they have elected to, or they have taken a decision to resume the land agreement instead of acquiring under the term of the Act, Land Acquisition Act. So that's what I'm referring to. So I'm not saying that it is illegal, but if they have any kind of evidence or enough documents to substantiate their claim over these lands, then we cannot say anything about it. But as far as I know, that the Gazette has said that it is under the term of the lease with the Nokma, and it is not accurate. Yes. We have to, if they force it upon the people, then I think we have to move court. Yes, court is the only option for us. So when we are talking about settlement, the settlement also here it will be only a partial settlement, because the land will continue to be under the custody of the government. That's what they said. So that's what I don't endorse actually, because it is a tribal land. It is all under the schedule, 6th schedule. So these lands, the owner of the lands are always the tribals, not the government. And the state government cannot be termed as tribal. So how can a state government, without following the proper acquisition process, how can they claim over this land? RTIs in the revenue department, both in Williamnagar and in this one, Tura. So previously they were not giving me even the term of the lease, that copy of the term of the lease. Even till today, Tura could not provide me the term of the lease as far as the land in Tura is concerned. But in Williamnagar, we found the agreement. In the RTI, they have provided us with the agreement. Okay, and in that agreement, the government is supposed to pay the Nokmas, the fees, which we call as awil fee. In the similar to the awil fee, they were supposed to pay to the Nokmas, and I don't think they have paid it.